All right, so my name's Isaac, and I have created what I call Toys2Life, and I wanted to create something that brought back some whiz-bang of technology to the tactile play experience of playing with toys. And in the process, I've also come up with something that allows kids to create and to bring a voice to their world and to tell their story, to where they can actually create their own characters and have them talk to each other. But just so you can see how it works, I'll turn the volume up on this, and
Hey, what's up?
you can see these two are talking to each other.
I feel good. As good as if I were invited into the International Order of Dues-Paying Superheroes. Even though I haven't.
I'm feeling like soggy dog treats.
And then I can move them and change who talks to whom.
You take the... So, how are ya?
My cold dog bath turns hot.
And so some of these characters were created by university students, and some were created by
Come on, tell me what's ping-ponging around in that noggin of yours.
by some junior high kids. And if you don't have the radios, you can still use the system. You can move these around on the screen and use these sprites to show who talks
So
to
are you
whom.
going to tell me where it is, or am I going to have to fill you full of lead?
Oh yeah, definitely.
And we have a whole array of characters, and you can bring more out.
These spurs ain't afraid.
Have them talk to each other.
Tell Bjorn what troubles you.
But where this gets
There's a
really
splinter
interesting
in
is
my
where you
hoof.
can create a character. So if you go into create mode, you can make a character and give them a name. And put in age and gender and other things like that. You can give them an avatar picture. And we actually have some curriculum which will step you through how to make your own character.
Hello, citizen. I'm Danny Patel, welcoming you to Toys2Life. Let's get ready to bring your toy to life as a talking character.
And there's a lot of additional features in here. You can import and export your character and share it with your friends. You can edit your character after you've created them. We have a JSON editor that's built in, so the kids that want to get into the coding can get deeper into the back end of that. There's all different kinds of interactions. You can do fully scripted stuff. We have a lot of stories where kids can create their own stories, and the other characters can provide appropriate emotional responses for the scary parts of the story or the unfair parts of the story. And it even gets into sort of choose your own adventure kind of programming stuff. And there's just a ton of STEAM things that you can learn in here. There's socio-emotional learning. We have all these tags. I'm angry, I'm sad, I'm happy, go on because you told me something that was upsetting. And so they're labeling the emotions that go on things. They're doing computational thinking as they're creating these data structures which interact with the dialogue engine algorithm. And for shy kids, we've had shy kids that didn't really like getting up in front of people, but they can record their voice and they can map them onto a toy and give that toy to their friends, and it gives them a forum, even though they're not a performance-oriented kid. And they're writing. This is what's called genre writing. This is what I believe to be a new genre, and that's a proven technique for getting kids writing and giving them kind of a box and a format to learn to write in. So that is what Toys2Life is all about.